y'all, welcome back to Loopsy Lola. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet. Make sure you like the video down below, you're subscribed, hit that bell, and share with your friends so they can learn how to crochet along with you. All right, grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started.
So you're going to insert your hook and you're going to yarn over before you go into any stitch. We're going to go into that next stitch right here. Like so, yarn over, pull through that loop. Got 3 loops on. You're going to yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And that's the half double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over, then go into that next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again, yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3. Again, yarn over, through that next stitch, yarn over, back through the stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'm going to finish out this row so you can kind of watch, but yeah, I wanted to kind of go back and do the half double crochet because the single crochet is obviously a popular stitch as well as the the double crochet. But I know a lot of patterns also call for half double crochet, so I thought it was a good time to introduce you to that. We're just going along. When I build up the rows for half double, I suggest doing chain 2s to build up that height for your next row. So that's just, I mean, the patterns might call for something different if you're doing half double crochets, but that seems to be kind of typical. And if you're just winging it, like, you know, just freehanding some dishcloths or something and you want to do them in half double crochets because it's a little tighter of a stitch, it's not quite as holy, I guess you could say, as double crochets, but it works up faster than single crochets. You would want to build your rows up with a chain 2 at the end of each row. And I will show you that right after this stitch. Because now I have my 15 half double crochets. So there's 4 rows of that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that I'm at the end of my row, I'm just going to chain 2, 1, 2, and turn my work, yarn over, and go into that stitch we just made down below. So 1, yarn over, and then pull through all 3.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you learned something, such as the half double crochet. If you did like the video, make sure you like it down below. Subscribe so you're getting my content and you can keep learning how to crochet along with me. As always, leave your comments or any questions down below. I love hearing from you guys. All right, we'll see you next time on Loopsy Lola.